Good morning children, welcome to AyaansMath. So the question is given now, if 11x square minus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 32 and x square plus y square is equal to 8, find x and y value. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you do this problem? So here logical, critical and tough problems will be uploaded from the channel. So here those who are new to this channel, you can subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. So first of all, what is given? 11x square minus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 32. So here adding 8xy on both sides. Adding 8xy. Okay, minus 8xy. Adding minus 8xy. So what will get here? 11x square minus 16xy plus 5y square is equal to 32 minus 8xy. Adding 8xy on both sides. So here what will get here? So 11x square, you can write factors. Minus 11xy minus 5xy plus 5y square, this is the logical step, is equal to, here you can take 8 common, 8 into 4 minus xy. So here you can take factors. So if you take x common, so here I am taking factors between this one and this one. X common, 11x minus 5y minus y common from this one and this one. 11x minus 5y is equal to 8 into 4 minus xy. So here the factors will get 11x minus 5y into x minus y is equal to 8 into 4 minus xy. So let it be 3. So this is 1. Okay, this is 2. So here the second one I am taking x square plus y square is equal to 8. So here I am adding subtracting 2xy. X square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 8 minus 2xy. 8 minus 2xy. So this can be written as x minus y whole square is equal to, taking 2 common, 4 minus xy. Let it be fourth one equation. So the logic is here, dividing 3 and 4. This is the main step in this problem, dividing 3 and 4. So what is 3 here? 11x minus 5y into x minus y by x minus y whole square is equal to RHS 8 into 4 minus xy by 2 into 4 minus xy. So this xy 4 minus xy get cancelled, 2 will go here 4 times. So here x minus y whole square, x minus y get cancel. So here what will get here, if you cross multiply, 4 into x minus y is equal to 11x minus 5y. This one cross multiplying 4 into x minus y. So 4x minus 4y is equal to 11x minus 5y. So what will get here, y is equal to 7x. Y is equal to 7x. So replace y in second equation. Replace y in second equation. So what is second equation? X square plus y square is equal to 8. So what will get here, x square plus 7x whole square is equal to 8. So you can write it as x square plus 49x square is equal to 8. That implies 50x square is equal to 8. X square is equal to 8 by 50. So here you can write 4 by 25. So x will be plus or minus 22 by plus or minus 2 by 5. X value plus or minus 2 by 5. Then y value will be 7 into 2 by 5. Plus or minus 2 by 5 you will get plus or minus 14 by 5. So therefore x value, y value plus or minus 2 by 5, x value comma plus or minus 14 by 5 y value. I hope you like the video. So those who like the video, subscribe the video. So thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad.